Hello, my name is Jennifer Mendoza. This is my state issued ID, and I'm located in Woodbridge, Virginia. So today I'm going to be talking about how to drive stick shift and the importance of driving stick shift and how it could help you in the long run. So some of the steps to driving stick shift are to understand that there are going to be extra steps that you need to take every day if you're going to commit to driving a stick shift vehicle. I think it's really fun. So step one is pretty much understanding that you're going to have the gas, the brake, and the unknown pedal of the clutch. So that's going to be the new pretty much thing in the car that you're not going to be familiar with. And I can explain a little bit why it's so important. The reason for that is because the clutch basically engages the car to move. And in order to engage the clutch, you need to understand the catch point. Understanding the catch point is essential to driving the car, because if you understand that catch point, you will not stall out. And stalling out, as we all know, is very embarrassing. One of the things that I always tell my friends when I'm trying to teach them how to drive stick shift is to not rest their hand on the gearbox and also to not rest their foot on the clutch, because it causes unnecessary wear and tear. And if you're watching YouTube videos, for example, you'll see that this is one of the things that all of the instructors will tell you. So gear shift one is going to be in a neighborhood, pretty much when you're getting out of your garage, your driveway. It's going to be the miles per hour are 0 to 10 miles per hour. Gear shift 2 is going to be once you're out of your neighborhood onto the street, it's going to be between 15 to 20 miles per hour. Gear shift 3 is on the street in the city between 25 to 35 miles per hour. Now, if you're just driving to the gas station nearby, you're not going to be speeding. Pretty much you'll be on gear shift 3. Gear shift 4 is going to be if you're driving on back roads on the parkway, pretty much going between 35 to 45 miles per hour. Gear shift 5 is going to be on the highway. Now, if you are familiar with the Northern Virginia area, you'll know that 66 and 28, for example, are very congested with traffic. Now, if you are there when there's no traffic, usually you're going to be going between 55 to 60 miles per 45 to 55 miles per hour up to 60. Now, gear shift 6 is going to be if you're, for example, on 95. Pretty much it's fast traveling traffic between 60 to 85 plus miles per hour. And usually we do travel up to 85 miles per hour on 95. So some of the pros of driving a stick shift vehicle versus an automatic vehicle, I will say that I don't really look at my phone as often as I didn't. Now that I have an automatic vehicle, it's a habit, but not really. Like I try my best not to look at my phone. I'll just put it away. But with with a manual vehicle, you're constantly doing things in the car. It becomes muscle memory after some time, but you're not really paying attention to your phone. Another thing is cheaper maintenance. Now, the only thing that I changed while I was driving in my stick shift car was my clutch, which over time it just has normal wear and tear. It needs to be replaced. Another thing was it's very economic on gas. I really enjoy that. Now that I drive an automatic vehicle, I noticed that my car is very expensive on gas. And since I was constantly putting my car into neutral, I wasn't really wasting any gas. Let's see. Lower chances of theft. This is another one, and it's supposed to be funny, which is a little bit funny, but the chances of your car getting stolen because are a lot slimmer because not a lot of people know how to drive stick shift. Now, some of the cons of driving an automatic vehicle are Traffic, like I said, it's very annoying. Extra steps that you have to take in the morning. And some of the statistics of driving stick shift are that Americans, only 4 to 5% of Americans drive a stick shift vehicle. Right now, it's becoming sort of a trend with Hondas and Subarus, like all of the sports cars that people are modifying. It's become sort of a trend. Girls are learning. I had to learn. Reasons why I think it's important to learn how to drive stick shift is because you never know what situation you might find yourself in, and it's better to be prepared than unprepared. Thank you so much for watching.